Tired of blurry phone pics and confusing camera specs? Join me as we dive into the hottest DSLRs of 2024. From budget-friendly wonders to pro-grade powerhouses, we'll unveil the perfect camera to capture your vision. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you, okay? Let's get an EOS Rebel SL3. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3, known as the 250D in Europe, stands out among cheaper Canon cameras, offering superior features and build quality. Its slightly higher cost is justified by valuable attributes such as a vari-angle touchscreen, a 24.3 megapixel sensor featuring Canon's dual-pixel CMOS AF technology for rapid autofocus in a live mode similar to mirrorless cameras, and guided screen options for user-friendly learning. With 4K video capabilities, the EOS Rebel SL3 is a preferred choice over the Nikon D850 for those interested in filmmaking. Recognizing the limitations of Canon's more affordable DSLRs, the EOS Rebel SL3/250D proves to be a worthwhile investment. Number 3. Canon EOS 1DX Mark III. The Canon EOS 1DX Mark III is a groundbreaking camera that defies Canon's typically cautious approach. Packed with cutting-edge technology including deep learning AF, an optical smart controller, CHEF and HDR PQ support, CF Express compatibility, 12-bit internal 4K RAW, and head tracking, among other features, it stands out as a versatile tool for professionals. This hybrid camera seamlessly combines the advantages of DSLR and mirrorless technologies, offering both the speed of an optical DSLR and the precision of a mirrorless camera. Notably, the EOS 1DX Mark III marks a significant shift for Canon in the realm of video, finally delivering uncropped 4K video, a long-awaited feature for Canon enthusiasts. Number 4. Pentax KF. The Pentax KF serves as one of the few remaining options for those not yet ready to transition to mirrorless, as there are limited choices in the market for new DSLRs. Bearing similarities to the Pentax K70, with minor updates such as a higher resolution LCD screen and slightly reduced weight, the Pentax KF targets enthusiast photographers in the mid-range segment. While it may not be the most groundbreaking release, the camera excels in what it does. Boasting features like hybrid AF, 4.5 stops of image stabilization, a built-in flash, bulb mode, and an articulating screen, it offers versatility. However, the absence of 4K video recording is a drawback, though it compensates with respectable 1080p footage suitable for online viewing. With classic Pentax durability, the KF is weather-sealed, dust-proof, and cold-resistant down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 10 degrees Celsius. Number 5. Nikon D780. The Nikon D780 lives up to the expectations as a worthy upgrade to the popular D750. Incorporating the on-sensor phase detection autofocus from the Nikon Z6, it achieves impressive mirrorless live view performance, particularly beneficial for both stills and video. While Nikon may have been a bit behind Canon in adopting such technology, the D780 compensates with advanced live view AF, a high-resolution tilting touchscreen display, 4K UHD video, dual UHS-2 compatible memory card slots, and rapid continuous shooting at up to 12 FPS in live view mode. With a robust design, comfortable grip, and a well-thought-out layout, the D780 stands out as a modern classic in the Nikon DSLR lineup. Still, stuck on which camera to choose? Don't worry, I got you. Remember, the best camera is the one that matches your needs and budget.